Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to build bricks goofy. This unique approach to brick construction involves intentionally breaking traditional building norms to create whimsical and imaginative structures. It's all about embracing the unexpected, using bricks in ways that might seem a little off-kilter, but ultimately result in truly original and captivating designs. We'll explore how to add a playful touch to your creations. A core technique for goofy building is snot, or studs not on top, which allows you to build in all 6 directions. Using hinge bricks and clips is also crucial for achieving those wonderfully wonky, non-standard angles, moving beyond simple 90-degree connections. Don't forget to incorporate small plates and tiles. They are excellent for adding fine details and unexpected textures to your playful creations, making them truly stand out. To craft truly irregular and organic shapes, try offsetting bricks by 1/2 stud using jumper plates. This creates subtle, flowing curves. Technic pins and axles are your friends for connecting elements at unusual, non-aligned points, allowing for greater structural freedom. Remember to experiment with a wide variety of brick sizes, from 1x1 plates to larger elements, to build those wonderfully unpredictable and interesting forms. When designing goofy builds, embrace asymmetry. It adds visual interest and a dynamic feel that perfectly suits this style. Don't shy away from mixing a wide array of colors and textures freely. This creates a truly whimsical and playful aesthetic. Most importantly, practice regularly and allow yourself to experiment without fear of mistakes. Developing your unique goofy building style is a journey of creative exploration and fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.